Did you know that the EU just approved a staggering $90 billion loan for Ukraine? This decision comes at a critical time, as the country battles economic turmoil and the ongoing threat of Russian aggression. Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into this historic financial package and its implications for Europe, Ukraine, and global security. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the recent $90 billion loan approved by the EU for Ukraine, the broader geopolitical context surrounding this decision, and what it means for the future of European cooperation. We'll also touch on how Hungary's controversial veto played a role in this financial lifeline. So, if you want to understand the latest on Ukraine's recovery efforts and European unity, you're in the right place. First up, let's discuss the EU's monumental decision. On April 23, 2026, the European Union greenlit a $90 billion loan package for Ukraine after Hungary finally lifted its veto. This move is crucial. As reported by PBS, Ukraine's economy is in dire straits, and this financial boost is essential to help stabilize its war-ravaged infrastructure and fend off ongoing threats from Russia. The total package is valued at around $106 billion, emphasizing the EU's commitment to supporting Ukraine during this challenging period. The implications of this loan extend beyond just financial aid. They signify a united front against Russian aggression and a commitment to the values of democracy and sovereignty in Eastern Europe. Now, let's pivot to Hungary's role in this saga. For months, Hungary, under the leadership of Viktor Orbán, had blocked the approval of this crucial financial assistance. However, with recent political changes and pressures, Hungary lifted its veto, paving the way for this monumental loan. According to an article from Euronews, this shift not only helps Ukraine, but also signifies a potential thaw in Hungary's relationships within the EU. As Hungary navigates its internal political landscape, the future dynamics of EU cooperation could dramatically shift, especially if a more supportive leadership emerges. This situation raises important questions about the balance of power within the EU and its ability to respond to crises. Finally, let's look at the broader implications of this loan package for Europe's security landscape. With the EU's commitment to Ukraine, we see a clear message of solidarity against authoritarianism. As reported by Research Buzz, this financial assistance is not just about economic stability, it's about reinforcing European values of democracy and human rights. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has become a litmus test for the EU's unity and resolve. By providing this support, the EU is reinforcing its commitment to a stable and secure Europe, a crucial factor in an increasingly complex geopolitical environment. So, what are the key takeaways from today's discussion? First, the EU's $90 billion loan to Ukraine represents a significant step in supporting a nation battling economic collapse and military aggression. It highlights the EU's resolve to stand against threats to democracy. Second, Hungary's lifting of the veto showcases the ever-shifting political landscape within the EU, hinting at potential changes in unity and cooperation among member states. Lastly, this situation serves as a reminder of the importance of international alliances in preserving peace and security. The EU's actions signal a commitment not only to Ukraine, but to the broader principles of democracy and freedom. If you found today's video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on global news and technology, and let us know in the comments. What do you think will happen next for Ukraine and the EU? How do you feel about Hungary's changing role in the EU? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.